How on earth does this mean you're investing a little more of this and ensuring you don't lose this? Antifreeze coolant touches 17 critical parts of your car, around 25% of the car's total value. Without routine maintenance, with better coolant, parts can fail and the engine can overheat, needing expensive repairs. It's no surprise that cooling system damage is one of the leading causes of breakdowns on the road. Replacing these parts can cost between $500 and $1,500. Just tearing into the car to get to the engine is expensive, but the stress and inconvenience of not being able to travel, get to work, or provide lifts can't be valued. The good news? For a few extra dollars, it's avoidable. Prestone's Antifreeze Coolant provides total protection for your engine. It can be mixed with any other antifreeze coolant and guarantees protection for 500,000 kilometers or 10 years. Car repairs can be financially and emotionally devastating. With Prestone, you can rest assured your next paycheck will be yours, not your car's.